This is TNT, right? In Minecraft. I don't understand what's happening, but okay, never mind, it all ended. Of course, wait, never mind, it did not end. Woo! It's raining TNT! It's raining TNT! Okay. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. No. Let me back away from that. Anyways, this is more than 20,000 TNT in Minecraft. I mean, look at this go. Wait, why is TNT sinking? TNT just sank through the entire block. What is this? Blow this all up! Woohoo! Yes, I just filled all that TNT. I just filled all that TNT. Let's do this, boys! Woohoo! Woohoo! It's being blown up by Rockstarian Man! Woohoo! Let's do this, boys! Being about to be destroyed. Actually, I've had destroyed. I actually created chunks at 20,000. However, I'm sure the max is 32768. Yeah, it is 32768, which unfortunately means I cannot make the entire world TNT. But it's also a good thing, because then I'm afraid I might have a crashed world. Let me just fill this entire chunk with TNT, because I don't like looking at endstone. It's 6,897 blocks being about to be blown up. I really wish I had known what that is a long time ago. This actually looks so cool. So insane to watch. The entire world of TNT being blown up. Woohoo!
Oh boy, the biggest explosion that I ever did is on my Xbox that ran 1.13 Minecraft. But did you know it could handle a world of TNT blow up there and still not even lag once? And besides, it didn't even have commands. Like, that was insane. I was shocked.
What? That's actually a lot. Wow. Bother deleting this chunk now. Rather, could I just explode away?